What is up, everybody? Today, I'm sharing my favorite travel hacks. These are the game changers that separate clueless tourists from savvy travelers. Forget the basic tips you've heard a million times. I'm giving you the secrets that make every trip smoother, cheaper, and way more fun. Let's dive in because the first hack is one most people totally ignore. All right, let's dive into our first essential travel hack. It's all about doing your homework. Research local customs before you even pack your bags. Understanding the nuances of a place is key to a smoother, more enriching travel experience. Every place has its own unspoken rules, a unique cultural DNA that shapes daily interactions. And knowing them means you blend in, becoming less of an outsider and more of a welcome guest. This helps you avoid awkward moments, paving the way for friendly interactions, and ultimately, get a warmer welcome. Take tipping or even simple gestures. Even how you greet people can be totally different, varying greatly from culture to culture. So, a quick Google search can save you from potentially embarrassing mistakes and cultural faux pas. Locals genuinely appreciate when you respect their culture and traditions, and as a result, you'll often get better treatment in return. You might even unlock insider tips and discover hidden gems that aren't in any guidebook. This simple step transforms your trip, elevating it from a superficial experience. It goes from just sightseeing to forging real connections with the people and the place. So don't skip it. Hack 2. Make digital copies of your passport, Idaho, tickets, and hotel info. Save them to the cloud and email them to yourself. If you lose your documents, you'll have everything you need to get replacements fast. It's a 3-minute task that can save you days of stress. Always be prepared. Hack 3. Pack light and smart. Choose versatile clothes in neutral colors you can mix and match. Use packing cubes to organize and compress your stuff. Roll your clothes to save space and avoid wrinkles. Fit everything into a carry-on. No baggage fees, no lost luggage. Packing this way makes travel so much easier. Trust me, you'll never go back. Hack 4. Download offline maps before you travel. Google Maps and Maps.me let you access directions without Wi-Fi or data. Your phone's GPS still works, so you can always find your way, even in hidden alleys. No more getting lost or paying for expensive roaming. It's a total game changer for exploring new places. Freedom and peace of mind right in your pocket. Hack number 5. Before you even arrive, try to learn 5 basic phrases in the local language. This small act can make a big difference in your travel experience. Start with hello, then goodbye, followed by please, thank you, and of course, excuse me. You absolutely don't need to be fluent. Just making the effort shows respect and a willingness to connect with their culture. Locals will genuinely appreciate it, and you'll almost certainly get friendlier, more attentive service as a result. It can transform a potentially cold interaction into a warm and genuine connection. Sometimes it even leads to fantastic local recommendations or even new friendships. It's a small effort, but the reward can be absolutely huge. Hack 6. Bring a universal adapter. Different countries have different plugs. Don't get stuck with dead devices. One good adapter works everywhere and often has multiple USB ports. Keep it in your bag and you'll always be powered up. It's the one gadget every traveler needs. Hack 7. Notify your bank and credit card companies before you travel. If they see foreign charges without warning, they might freeze your card. A quick call or online notice keeps your money accessible. Avoid the hassle of being stranded without cash. It's a tiny step that saves a huge headache. Hack 8. Bring a reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated, save money, and cut down on plastic waste. Refill at airports, hotels, or fountains. Way cheaper and better for the planet. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference. Hack 9. Always check visa and entry requirements for your destination. Rules vary by country and citizenship. Don't assume you're good to go. Visit the official embassy website for up-to-date info. Make sure your passport is valid for the required time. Do this research or risk being denied boarding? Seriously? Hack 10. Set up travel alerts and get travel insurance. Register your trip with your government for safety updates and emergency help. Travel insurance covers medical emergencies, cancellations, and lost luggage. It's a small price for huge peace of mind. Relax and enjoy your trip knowing you're protected. Don't travel without it. That's it. We've reached the end of our travel hacking journey together. I've shared my top 10 travel hacks, the very strategies I use to navigate the world with ease. These tips are designed to turn you into a seasoned travel pro, ready to tackle any journey. Even if you only implement a few of these suggestions, I'm confident your next trip will be significantly smoother, noticeably cheaper, and infinitely more fun and fulfilling. Now I want to hear from you. Drop your very best tried and true travel tips in the comments below. I'm eager to learn from your experiences and insights. And if you enjoyed these tips, please hit subscribe for a steady stream of more travel hacks, destination guides, and exciting adventures. Now, with all this knowledge in hand, go book that flight, pack your bags, and go have the adventure of a lifetime. Travel smart, travel safe, and I'll see you all in the next video.